Good morning guys, this is where I sleep, here in McDonald's. Still here in the area of Lake Macquarie, Newcastle area. And when I check my phone, there is a notice, asking if I did a shopping transaction 3 hours ago. And I check my bank account. There is one transaction, $442.04 shopping. The transaction was done at the Fly Sky e-bike 88 Incorporated Corona. That was the latest transaction, but I did not do that. They spent $442, the fraud transaction. And so I replied to the message of the Commonwealth Bank, and I said that I did not make that transaction. And now we have a communication. They said that they are going to stop my current card to work, and they will send me a new one. I don't know if they are going to give me back the $442. But I check here, it's actually still a pending transaction, so it's not fully processed. There is still a chance that I will be able to recover the $442. I basically sleep here because I bought one burger, $4 burger. After coming from the gym, because the gym is just on the other side. Anytime Fitness, Warner's Bay, the name of this place. We are now here, down here at the under the bridge. This is the Hunter River Bridge, Stockton Bridge actually. This particular area is Hunter Wetlands National Park. I'm not sure if we can walk over there. I think we can. Let's do that. And there is this mangrove, no water. That's it, we go now. I actually been to the other side. This bridge is actually just a little look smaller and a little bit shorter than Sydney Harbour Bridge. Maybe in the future they are going to make it a beautiful bridge like Sydney Harbour Bridge. And we are now here at the other side of the bridge. Oh, there is one person over there. There is one person at the wetlands walking, and it says here security cameras in use. I've been here before when I was riding my bike. If you remember, I did camping at the Stockton beach with my bike. Notice the legs of the bridge, it's thin and wide. Oh, there's one person there. There's one car. Two cars. They are fishing. Actually, more cars here fishing. We are actually on that side few minutes ago. Not few minutes, but maybe 15-20 minutes ago. That's the Newcastle CBD. That area. Newcastle CBD. Mayfield, Kuragang Islands, Stockton Bridge, Fern Bay, Nelson Bay Road, all the way to Nelson Bay. We are here at the base of the bridge. Yeah, this is a viewing area. Usually there are birds around here. Let me show you. Every summer, thousands of migratory shorebirds flock to Stockton Sands Beach, making the journey over thousands of kilometers from as far as northern China, Japan, and northern Siberian tundra and Alaska. Yeah. Let's go down there because there is a walkway. Because last time I was just here. This time we're going down over there. I'm very cautious because there's no much people getting in here, so probably, or I'm not sure, hopefully there's no snake. Oh, look at that bird. This one in the picture is actually that one, the real bird. Yo, good day guys, how are you today? 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 Good day guys, how are you today? The guy is actually a photographer. Very nice, I can see him there. He got a very big camera. Nice. He basically is sitting down there, the guy, with his camera, big lens, this much of lens, big lens. Yeah, focusing to the somewhere there. Yeah, that's the guy. Actually, if I go there and ask him, that is an opportunity for me to learn how is photography. For sure, if I ask something, I will learn new things. But you know, my shyness forbid me to do that. Yeah, it just means that there's no real urge or real intention to learn photography. This guy is passionate. I'm actually still communicating with the, you know, prod officer of Commonwealth Bank. Yeah, the latest message is that they already organized to send me the new card. They said that they are going to send it to me in 5 to 7 days. That is the stairway going to the middle of the bridge, because the middle of the bridge is actually a walking path going to the other side. Middle walk, not sidewalk. Okay, that's it, we go now. We are now here in Salamander Bay. Yeah, park here in Aldi. I'm going to buy something to eat for the coming days. I maybe bought something from McDonald's last night, but that was just $4. No big deal. I'm getting one of these bagel. This just $2.99. I am getting again one of this special fried rice. This just $6.99. Actually, I don't like. I don't like. I'll have just this buttered chicken. This $5.99, and I'm getting one of this hot chocolate hot roast pan. Okay, we get out of the grocery, and yeah, there is because you know, a lot of people in the cashier, and yeah, one of the lady at the back saw me and saw that I am buying just this 3 things, so she let me go first. And then the guy in front, also with a lot of things that he's going to pay, He also noticed that I have only these three, and yeah, he also let me go first. Very nice. I said that it's okay, I'm not in a hurry, but yeah, they insist, and so yeah, I'm here now. Yeah, Australians generally are nice. Australians are beautiful too. Physically, they're beautiful. Most of them. So they are beautiful inside and out. I'm going to the workplace now. The time now is already 11:03, but my duty is still at 2 o'clock. So I will be just yeah, staying here in the van. I'll do some computer things and I'll have my lunch. I never had a breakfast yet, even a coffee not yet, but I'm not hungry.